Hi guys, I'm in Camberwell. I just finished my what I needed to do in Camberwell. I found the place and now I'm heading towards Hawthorn. So I have to go to Glenferrie Road, Hawthorn, which is I think 8 minutes away. It's not too far. I'm not sure if that's right. If that's the right time. It turned out to be a beautiful day today. You feel like riding more when the weather's nice, when the sun's out. When it's dark, cloudy, raining, it sort of takes away all the fun, all the pleasure. Because motorbike is not like a car. You can't just put the windows up and then like not get wet. When it rains, you do get wet. It becomes more dangerous because the rain drops, they block your view, your visor, the helmet visor. Okay, so I've got to turn left from the next okay, so go back. Yeah, I can't see the name of the road. Yeah, the sun's out. It's about 18, 19 degrees in Melbourne today. There's a left turn from, what's the name of the road? Make sure that's recording. Oh, the Barker's Road, that's the one. I'll turn left from here. Watch out for the cars. Oh, what a nice, beautiful road this is. Oh, this is Barker's Road. Basically, I've just come off Burke Road and turn left from Barker's Road, and about two clicks up, that joins onto Glenferrie Road. So I'll be towards the top part of Glenferrie Road, Hawthorn. So I've got to turn left and go towards the other side. Really nice around here. Like Hawthorn is just one of those suburbs that I really like. It's close to the city. They have good, great schools. They have the Swinburne University that's just off Glenferrie Road. I'll show you guys that one. Look at the building. What's this? The apartment complex. Scary. Really nice. Is it a school? Well, to be honest, I don't need a GPS anymore because I know where I'm going now. So I'll just come out of it. It's 1.5 k's. I'll just go use that. It's a 60k zone. I believe Glenferrie Road is 40 k's now. Speed limit on Glenferrie Road. There's just so much traffic. I think there should be now since afternoon. MLC, what's that? Got a lot of private schools. MLC, is that up? Go left from here. Cut through from Swinburne. So this is the top part once again. This is the top part of Glenferrie Road. You've got so many shops. About pizza, Domino's, ribs and burgers. I believe the school's on the left. Got a nice like a coffee shop, Rococo. A lot of little coffee shop, gelatos, you know, Hawthorn House, Fat Boys, Zap Fitness. It's all happening here. Firebox. Even like you'll find like really nice shops on the side streets. Berry Pig, Universal, Samurai, nice name that one. Coin Laundry. Oh, what bike is that? Ah, nice. Got Family Optometrist, Laguna. There's a... Was that the... I can't remember if that was Uni, a little bit more further up, yeah. Colina Cafe, Chemist Warehouse, Sirocco. Yeah, it's really good here. Chocolates, that's a good brand, that one. So I'm looking for the, I think the Uni's on the left. Yeah, Uni's on the left. I'll see if I can go through. The Swinburne University of Technology. Yeah. The Swinburne University of Technology here. This is a big complex. It's a massive complex. Oh, look at the artwork. That's amazing. I can go through here. Oh, no entry. Ah, you got no entry there. Okay, bicycles accepted. So that's the uni there. So this is like a is it a student residences on the left? Just the students having a bit of a lunch. So it has a lot of like separated buildings. And the good thing is right next to the train station. So getting here is not a problem here at all for the students. That's the gateway. I love the artwork, but look at this. Swinburne Gateway. Is there another? I can't go through there. There's a car park. Left, get back onto Glenferrie Road. What's that building? Lido. I'll have what she's having. International Cafe Day. That's a massive cafe. The whole building. Axel Coffee Roasters. Oh, they have a rooftop like an area. Yeah, you got all these little shops. Look, there's a what is boba tea or coffee shop. So many. Most of these people are students. Let's go left. This map is on the left. Yeah. What's that? Readings bookshop. Like I would say, it's like a little bit more trendy compared to some other suburbs because you've got a lot of like young students, and they like their burgers, they like their coffee, boba teas, like noodles and all that. That's why around this area there are many shops. You got a mochi there. Good turn left, and that black building looks like inside there are maybe 4, 8, 11 other specialty shops. Sometime today, mate. That's the bridge for the train station, Hawthorn train station. Valley shop, Guzman Gomez. So many. It's like a trendy chai time. They got these specialty shops, perfect for students. Look at this one, student supplies, art and craft. You got Vietnamese pho, sushi place. Still happy. Go next to the posting. Wow, that might be the smallest KFC shop I've seen. Tiny. Pasta to go. Very like historic. Kebab kitchen. There's a few more shops on the left. I'll go straight. Bridal. Gamsa Korean barbecue. That was class. So I've noticed a lot of Korean shops are popping up. Like, you know how they're famous with their Korean style barbecue. Like, you cook it yourself, or they have the Chinese, similar to Chinese. They have their hot pot. You know, they're becoming really popular now. During the city, during the outer suburbs. Okay, my place that I need